Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video I'll show you how to copy Instagram profile link. This is a super easy process that just takes a few seconds, and then you can easily share it with others. After watching this video, you'll be sharing your favorite profiles like a pro. Let's not waste any more time and get started right away. So first of all, let's open up the Instagram app, and then tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then when you are on your profile, tap on the Edit Profile button at the top, and then tap on Username, and then tap and hold your username, and then tap on Copy. So now your username is copied to the clipboard, and then exit out of the Instagram app, copy Instagram profile link, and open up your preferred web browser. So I am simply going to open up Google Chrome, and then type in instagram.com, and then paste in your username. So tap and hold the screen and then tap Paste. And that is going to take you to your profile. And then you can tap the top URL bar, and then tap this to paper sheet looking icon to copy your profile link. So now you can paste this link anywhere you want, and if someone clicks it, it will send them straight to your profile. Copy Instagram profile URL. So you can also copy someone else's profile URL. To do that, open up the Instagram app, and then go over to their profile, and then when you are on their profile, tap on these three dots at the top right of the screen, and it will show you all these options. So from that list of options, tap on Copy Profile URL, and that will copy their profile link to your clipboard. And then if I go back to Google Chrome, I can paste that in the URL bar, and that will load up their Instagram profile. So that's it for this tutorial. It is a pretty straightforward process. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. If this video helpfully for you, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more step-by-step tutorials like this one. Thanks so much for watching and have a nice day.